Hi, so today I'm going to give you some tips about how to plant an apple tree, and this is bare root semi-dwarf apple tree. And this is 4 feet tall bare root organic apple tree. Number 1, location. It should be sunny location because any fruit tree needs 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. Number 2 is the well-draining soil, and we have sandy loamy soil on our farmland. Number 3, season. In early spring is the best time to plant an apple tree. Number 4, spacing. 12 to 15 feet is a good space between two apple trees. Number 5, pollinator. An apple tree needs a pollinator, so choose the variety which has the same bloom period. Number 6, water. Apple trees do not like wet feet. Water only if that's required. At the time of planting and when they are established, they don't need much water. Number 7, graft. Grafted part should face north, and that should be at least 2 inches above the ground. And make sure this is very delicate part, but I should just plant till here. I have to fill up with the soil. So this is already done. I have made the hole, and today it's raining, so you will see that this is kind of little wet, which is good but my soil is actually very good. It has good drainage, so this is kind of sandy loamy soil, because this needs good drainage. Now just see how to plant a tree or an apple tree. Just make a hole and then adjust the hole as per the root size, and if you have to do some adjustment, just do with the shovel. Make sure your soil is loose enough on the sides so that your root can spread out nicely in the native soil. You don't have to do any amendment, because if you'll do some amendment, your tree, the root of the tree will think that I don't have to spread outside of this area, and your tree will be very weak. So you don't have to do any adjustment. Later you can put some compost on the top if that is required. Once you have adjusted the hole as per the root size, you can just place the tree and backfill with the same native soil. And you can water on the day of planting, but if that rains that day, then you don't have to. Like for me, it's raining, so I don't have to water today. And next you have to water when you'll see the leaves are coming out. Now this looks good, and I'm going to backfill the same native soil. Put all the soil, all the sides with the same native soil, and then I will do tap. Now you can see I have planted this tree and I have backfilled. Now with the shoes, or maybe with this, you can tap, or just with your hand gloves, so that there is no air pocket inside. So I'm done with this tree I have already planted, and you can see the grafted part I have kept on the northern side, and this is at least 2 inches above the ground. Good. We dug the holes with this digger, and later we adjusted the holes with the shovel as per the size of the apple tree root. And you will see new leaves will come out in 2-3 months, that is late spring, and it will bear fruits in 2 to 4 years.